6:09 in the morning. Heading into Medford. Going back to Brookline today to the job we were out on Wednesday. And we will see you guys at the job. I just gotta deal with the way I look. I look a little crazy, but are you cold? Yeah, dude. It's freezing. It's like 50 degrees out. Got my turtleneck. I know. I don't know why I'm still cold. Oh, that is. $25, right? Yo. Music going down. Did I cut the wrong end? No. Okay.
Give me. I need it first.
I just fucked up there.
No, see, look.
Yeah, I know.
And the spindles.
But it was so tall, so I was like,
but I'm gonna get longer spindles so we can.
Oh, that'll look good.
I feel like the old one they had there.
Yeah.
Since there's nothing under here, go right here with it.
All right.
Right down the middle. We'll work your edges.
Stepping down. Got to custom cut the posts.
Very low though.
Give them all the tools.
With their proper name, not what we call them. Huh? Okay.
Leaf blower.
Okay.
Mason drill.
Jigsaw.
Yep, bottom's looking.
Nice.
What are you working on over here?
We're just setting some pipe,
Getting it level?
getting it level, you know, doing what we do best, put fencing on walls.
Oh yeah.
Our favorite thing to do. That's all it is.
Alright, give me a jigsaw today.
Oh, I tell for that.
I never would say that.
What do you keep trying to throw me?
Oh yeah.
Now you can hear when it's recording.
Oh yeah.
And you can hear.
I'm gonna get that out. Just that corner.
Get what out?
Just that corner right there. I'm gonna break this corner.
Oh, really?
Let's grab these three right here.
Okay. What up?
One bag of treat. Who's the best teacher?
Go ahead. See this one. Chicken ziti broccoli Alfredo.
Wrapping up for the Friday. Still a lot left to do.